Hello, I just want to show you how to install DocHub in for Google Classroom, and so you can edit the PDF files for um, for assignments. And so I'm gonna go up to the waffle with my Google Apps. So I'm gonna click on that. Okay, down here, if you can see, I have it already installed, but okay, if you don't see it in your Google Apps, then you go to more from G Suite Marketplace. Okay, you can do a search. You can go down and look for it, or you can do a search. Duck Hub. Okay, and then it'll give me these two options: Duck Hub PDF sign and edit. So I click on that. That's the one I need to be able to edit my PDF files or assignments. I click on that, and it'll give me these two options. So for G Suite for a student, it will give you the option to or access to this permission to install DocHub for Google Classroom, but you cannot install for our network. We cannot install DocHub for Gmail. So if I click on that, okay, you will have the option of install. So you click on install, and then you'll be ready to go with DocHub.